welcome to Tom's Trains and Things. We're celebrating a new year on YouTube. We've been on here since 2016, offering model railroaders a view of this train room right here and how to do things with instructional videos like model railroading for beginners, back to basics, and electronics like Arduino made easier, and electronic projects, and advanced electronic and Arduino projects. I also have a Monday night live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern Time every Monday without fail for about 2 hours. Sometimes it lasts even longer, chatting with the viewers about model railroading, some rants, and other things. So check that out every Monday night at 8 p.m. And also on Wednesday night at 8 p.m. I'll be over at the workbench doing models, and I'll show it to you right here. Here I am at the workbench right here. It's also in the train room, and here you can see what I'm doing every Wednesday night, rain or shine, working on the kits and chatting with the viewers on there. Here's my latest kit right here, Macmillan Printworks from Mud Creek Models. I got it at a train show, and you can see a lot of train shows on here because that's what I do on Monday night, talk about the train shows. I talk about it on Wednesday night also, and you can see me, how I apply shingles, how I apply other roofing materials, how I build towers for that, and the buildings itself. So tune in Wednesday night. The link will be in the description on my website, because it's on another platform that I can't mention here. Speaking about my webpage, here it is, tomstrainofthought.com. Here you could find everything about me here, where you could find me on the YouTube channel, the Monday night live streams, the workbench, train room start, all that good stuff. Let's start over here at the last page with the links, useful links. So this is all my contact information right there, and a lot of links that I do not put up in the videos on YouTube, but you could find them right here. Decoders, track cleaning, tutorials. Join me on Rumble. You could support me on Locals, and there's other places up here where you could support me. This is some of my favorite videos right here. I go to other people's layouts. This is Al Puglisi. This is Jeff Grove. I do train shows. I do train show reveals on the Monday night live streams. Here's some Monday night live stream videos. And here's Monty Python spam, which is something that I do on the Monday night live stream. That's a new feature that I did. And here's the layout. Here's my old layout and the new layout, so you can see what I did there. Projects. Everything that I do on YouTube, I tried to expand on it in here on the projects page. I go into great detail right there on these subjects, and also have another page on Arduino made easy. I did a series of that, and I go into a little bit more detail here. I also do some videos on dcc-ex. Let's go to that page right there. dcc-ex version 5 is coming out soon. I bought the new motor shield that they offered and soldered everything on it, did a video on that. But here is an explanation on how to build a command station with dcc-ex very easily. I even have an easy button on there just in case you get confused. and step by step I walk you through it. And if you have any questions, you could always contact me at my email, tomstrainsandthings@gmail.com. Here's the cheapest, under $75, and here's a premium version, about $118. And like I said, step by step, easy instructions to follow on there. I do live streams every Wednesday at the workbench. In May, I did about 8 of them. In June, I did about 10 of them every Wednesday night, and sometimes additionally on other nights when I get the urge, when I'm doing something at the workbench over there. tomstrainofthought.com, more information than what is on YouTube. I hope this gives you enough information on me, about my Monday night live streams, and what I do here on YouTube with all my videos, and what I do on the workbench and here in the train room. So let me know in the comments how you feel about my work, and chat me up on the live streams. And don't forget to give that thumbs up, because that pushes out the videos even further. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for your support. If you are a supporter, your name gets plugged up in here every Monday night and occasionally on videos. So until the next time, we'll see you, and have fun with whatever you're doing.